Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Chainlink pushed a little higher into resistance here yesterday, but it's still fully respecting our resistance level that we identified, or resistance range, which goes all the way up to $6.93. If you take a look at this detailed wave count, we've highlighted that this could be a wave 4 and that we could be in this sideways range for a little while. It looks very choppy, very corrective price action, very sloppy. It reacted again here to the 38.2 retracement level perfectly, which is actually the ideal target for a fourth wave. So let's see if it will get rejected here. If not, it could still reach $6.93, and that would all be covered by our current scenario, yeah? And then it could start with a fifth wave to the downside. However, if it gets a break above $6.93, something different might be unfolding. What would be my view there? Well, if it continues to push higher, which I'm currently not primarily looking for, but it can of course happen. I mean, we're moving here in this choppy price structure, and we identified the relevant support area here that the price reacted now to several times. So reactions here are not unexpected, they are not unusual. It did react several times already and now is rallying into resistance. But what if that bounce is higher than you would expect it for a wave 4? Well, again, I would have a hard time to really call that an impulse to the upside, but it could of course be a correction that's unfolding. So I'm counting this move up currently here as a B wave, yeah? This move up that happened between the 10th of June and the 21st of July. So best I could tell then is maybe this B wave is still unfolding and it will reset a little higher. This is possible in a more extended maybe WXY structure in the B wave, or, and that would be a bullish interpretation, this move up might have been a wave 1 in a larger diagonal. The move down a wave 2, because we only have 3 waves down. If it forms 3 waves higher and it breaks above that wave 2 high at $8.80, this might become a wave 3, then a wave 4 and a wave 5. And if we get 5 waves up above the $9.50 level eventually, then we have a good evidence that the overall bear market low is already in. Okay, that's what we would need to see. I often say that we really need to see a break out of the price channel and above the $9.50 level in 5 waves to indicate that a bear market low has been made. Now, we're far away from that. We haven't even got 3 waves complete, okay? So just be aware of that, but this is how it would look like. This is how 5 waves would look like on this chart. And then we would be watching for an ABC pullback in a wave 2. Bear in mind, we are now in a price channel still. Bear in mind, there is the descending trend line, the upper boundary line of the price channel that could provide additional resistance. And really, as I highlighted before, anything that happens within this price channel, yeah, it doesn't really change anything. Yeah, it doesn't change anything, but we're still following the microstructure because it tells us when we have to expect a larger bounce. Ideally here, I'd like to see that 5th wave to the downside still. And at the moment, it's not doing anything unusual. It's just moving basically into the resistance and moving into the ideal target that you would normally expect for a 4th wave. And yeah, I mean, we would then look at this as an ABC structure potentially. Could still get a few squiggles higher maybe. And as I said, the next level here to watch is $6.93. And above that level, we can add the volume profile. If we have any significant levels to watch here, well, yeah, $6.93 is a bit of a spike on the volume profile. And then we have the next key one at $7.44 as resistance. So that might cause the price to slow down should it push any higher. But overall, no change here in outlook at the moment. Everything's going according to the scenario at the moment. And the $6.93 level tells us when we might have to change perspective. But I would not really count that as bullish yet. I would first want to see clearer evidence, yeah, more evidence that something more bullish is going on. But today, generally, the altcoins show some green candles, okay, but that's not enough to confirm a lasting trend reversal. That's my update about LINK. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.